Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your Apple ID, two-factor authentication, and App Store Connect role. Do this now. Once done, open App Store Connect and check the app status. Make sure the bundle ID and screenshots match the build. Next, verify the payment method exists even if you won't be charged. This prevents blocked verification. Finally, collect the device UID and relevant org info so you can request or inspect builds immediately. You now fix the middle issues. Start by rebuilding the app with correct code signing and a provisioning profile tied to your team. Once rebuilt, upload the IPA and inspect processing logs. Mismatched entitlements often trigger verification. Make sure the Apple Developer Program membership is active and that the profile hasn't expired, because that silently breaks verification. If App Store rejects, use test flight distribution to isolate the You finish by submitting the corrected build with clear release notes explaining fixes. This speeds reviewer acceptance. Once submitted, monitor App Store Connect for status changes and reply promptly to any reviewer questions. Communication solves many verification holdups. If verification still fails, revoke the old provisioning profiles and certificates, recreate them, re-sign the IPA, and re-upload. One troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, create a clean test app ID and minimal build to reproduce the failure. That isolates misconfiguration fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.